Okay, children, as we have already seen this lesson, our earth, now we are going to see some of the exercise in the book. Now, I am going to fill in the blanks. Okay, the distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometers. So, the distance, the earth to sun ko distance is 150 million kilometer. Dash are caused due to the revolution of the earth. What is caused? Seasons are caused due to the revolutions of the earth. The continent dash is covered by ice. Which continent is covered by ice? The continent Antarctica is covered by ice. Okay, so the continent Antarctica is fully covered by ice. The biggest continent, which is the biggest continent? Asia is the biggest continent. So, there are 7 continents. In that, Asia is the biggest continent. And which is the smallest continent? As you have seen in the map, Australia is the smallest continent and Asia, that is the biggest continent. And dash is described as red planet. So, there are 8 planets I said. So, which is described as the red planet? Mars is described as the red planet. Mars is described as red planet. It seems to be red in color. You better buy the stickers in the shop, solar system stickers, and each planet separately they will have a sticker. So, in that you can see the colors of the planets in that. So, in this Mars is described as the red planet and dash percentage of the earth is covered by salt water. So, 96.5% of percentage. I have written the percentage in symbol, but we have to write in words. Percentage of our earth is covered by salt water. Okay, children. So, 96.5 actually our earth is consists of Pacific 5 oceans. What are the 5 oceans? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So, 71% of the earth is covered by water, but in that 29% is the land mass and 96.5 is the water is saline, it is salty, and 2.5 water is only fresh and 1% of the water is easily accessible. So, 96.5% of the earth is covered by salt water. Okay, children, so learn this fill up. So, the distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometer. Seasons are caused due to the revolution of the earth. The continent Antarctica is covered by ice. Asia is the biggest continent. Mars is described as red planet. 96.5% of our earth is covered by salt water. Okay, children. Now, match the following. I will write the straight answer. Match the following. Match. Smallest continent. You know which is the smallest continent? As we have already seen, 7 continents, the smallest continent. Then blue planet, which is known as the blue planet. And Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet. Sun is the planet. Seasons. Then how the day and night are cast. So, these are the 5 questions. Now, I will write the straight answers only. Okay. The smallest continent is Australia. Smallest continent is Australia. And blue planet is our earth only is the blue planet, earth. And Neptune, farthest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet. And seasons, earth rotation. Earth rotation caused the season. And day and night caused by the Earth's revolution. This is Earth rotation and this is the Earth's revolution. Okay, so the match is smallest continent Australia, blue planet Earth, Neptune is the farthest planet, seasons Earth rotation and day and night is the Earth's revolution. Okay, now we will see what are the 8 planets and the 5 oceans. One by one we will see them. You know the name the 8 planets? Name the planets. What are the planets you know? You have already known this. So, I will write again. Okay, what do you mean by the solar system? What is solar system? The solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. So, the solar system name the planets in the solar system. So what are the 8 planets? It is Mercury, planets. How many planets? 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So these are the 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, planets in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So these are the planets in the solar system. Okay, now which is the inner planets? In this, the inner planets, with the, what are all the inner planets? Sun kitta inner planets are all Venus, Earth, Mars and Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the rocky planets. They are also known as terrestrial planets. So the inner planets. What are the inner planets? The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So learn all these children like a fill-up. Okay, they are called terrestrial planets. What they are called? They are called terrestrial planets. Which planets are called terrestrial planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called terrestrial planets. Okay, then the outer planets are the gaseous planets. These are also called rocky inner planets. The rocky inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars is called rocky inner planets and they are also called as terrestrial planets. The outer planets are called as gaseous planets. The outer planets are called as gaseous planets. Okay. So the outer planets are called as dash. Abdin kodutanga fill up you can write gaseous planets. Okay children. So what are the gaseous planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So they are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. So the outer planets are called gaseous planets. What are the gaseous planets? They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Which are the frozen planets? The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. The frozen planets. The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. Okay, children. So the rocky inner planets in the this is the planet system. The rocky inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And they are also called as the terrestrial planets. The outer planets are called gaseous planets. Which are all the gaseous planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Which are the frozen planets? The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. Okay. Then there are two movements of the earth. What are the two movements of the earth? Rotation and the revolution. So revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun on its axis is known as revolution, and seasons are caused by the earth's revolution. So the earth when the sun is rotate varumbodhu, the movement of the earth around the sun on its axis by 23.1/2 degree is called the revolution of the earth. In this only the seasons are caused. So this is called the revolution. Okay. Now which is the planets? Mercury and Venus are lie near, which planets nearer to the sun? Which planet is farthest from the sun? Okay, now which is the smallest planet? Which is the smallest planet? Which is the smallest planet? You can say Mercury is the smallest planet. So one word you can learn, children. Mercury is the smallest planet. And which is the largest planet? Largest planet. So the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay. Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay, then next one is which planet is near to the sun? Which planet is nearest to the sun? Nearer to the sun. So which are the planets nearer to the sun? It is Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus. So the Mercury and Venus is near to the sun. And the next to the earth is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. That's all. And now you'll see the name the 5 oceans. Name the 5 oceans. Okay, so learn this. What are the 5 oceans are there? Name the 5 oceans. The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean. Say Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. As I already learned this in previous classes, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Okay children, these are the 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Then what are the continents? How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. These are the 5 oceans. Name the continents. Name the continents. 7, how many continents are there? 7 continents. What are the continents? 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay children? Australia. So the 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So these are the 7 continents. So Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. So this is the continents and oceans. You see, Asia is here, Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Europe and Australia. These are the continents. And the oceans are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. So these continents and ocean, you see the page number 148 and learn this. Okay children, thank you. So learn at home what all we have studied in this today's lesson. Thank you children.